A growing firestorm of dissent is erupted as a retired military general have publicly expressed their fear toward President Mnangagwa, issuing a defiant declaration that power belongs to the people. The confrontation, documented by Zimbabwe's TV, signals a significant fracture within the political and security establishment, with the rare and vocal opposition from former high-ranking military officials challenges the current administration's authority and underscores a deepening crisis regarding legitimacy of political power of the country. Sabina Mashkobran the retired generals furious at Mnangagwa, power belongs to the people. When was subscribe or like on the bell, I want to know more the tension articulated in the Zimbabwe's TV report stems from long-standing grievances regarding the distribution of political power and the governance style of the Mnangagwa administration. The involvement of retired generals, individuals who once formed the backbone of the state security apparatus, suggests that the dissatisfaction is not merely peripheral but rooted in the core institutions that have historically sustained the regime. The development marks a transition from eternal silence to public confrontation, indicating that the traditional lines of loyalty within the power structure are being radically redrawn. When retired generals invoke the phrase, power belongs to the people, they are engaging in a strategic effort to reclaim their narrative of sovereignty. From an analytical perspective, this rhetoric is designed to strip the current administration of its claim to institutional support. By distancing themselves from Mnangagwa, these military figures are effectively signaling to the public and to international observers that the executive branch no longer enjoys the monolithic backing of the security sector. This is a critical pivot, as the military has historically been the final arbiter of political stability in the region. The implications of this friction extend far beyond the borders of any single nation, serving as a bellwether for the stability of Southern Africa, as the regional geopolitical landscape relies on the predictability of its power structures and the public dissent of key military figures in Zimbabwe creates a vacuum of authority that could have cascading effects on regional security and economic cooperation. The message delivered by these generals serves as a direct challenge to the status quo, forcing stakeholders to reconsider their strategic alliances and their long-term commitments to the stability of the current leadership. Doma developments are reformed in Zimbabwe, and this analysis ema constitutional amendments. Pena comment section menu zofungura emo to give on subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.